See how my stomach keep jumping? See if I can get a little closer. See, he keep jumping. He got the hiccups. Some people are like, how can you tell the difference between a kick and hiccups? Because it's like, you see how it's coming regularly? Like a kick, it comes here and there. It's in random places, but hiccups is in like the same spot, and it's like back to back to back. Then I kind of stop now. I'm gonna move the laptop up where you can see. You see it? Now he just moving. See, it just jumped. See? He has the hiccups. Oh my goodness. He gets the hiccups a lot too. See, it's still moving. Hiccup. And I can feel it down low because he's head down right now.